Welcome to the Catersoft menu customization tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of customizing and optimizing your menu offerings, ensuring a seamless and delightful experience for both you and your customers. Before you begin, for a seamless experience in creating and customizing your restaurant or cafe menu using Catersoft, it is crucial to ensure that you have successfully completed the initial steps outlined in the Catersoft installation and user manual. If you haven't done so already, kindly refer to that guide to perform the necessary installations and setups. Once you have laid the groundwork by following the installation instructions, you can proceed with this tutorial to delve into the specifics of menu creation. Let's now focus on leveraging Catersoft to enhance your establishment's offerings. In order to construct a menu within Catersoft, it is essential to have access to the menu of the respective restaurant. This will serve as the foundational reference for inputting menu items, data, and pricing into the system. For the purpose of this tutorial, a sample menu will be utilized with a specific focus on creating the burger section. So as you can see here, this is the interface of Catersoft, the first screen that you will see upon executing the software. And so now we proceed to the menu screen. We click the management and then we go to data files, menu items. So in this screen you will see the default entry. If this is your first time to install this and you will be creating your first menu, so you only see one entry here. This is what you call department. So this is department and this is varieties. This is where you will enter like what are the different entries for this department. Okay, so first we will start changing this department, this entry. We have the southern fried chicken and desserts, and we will base it from the menu, which is, well, we were gonna focus on burgers, as I've said at the very beginning. So we're gonna create this and make this burgers. Okay, I want it capitalized, so I'm gonna put burgers. You can also change it to small letters if you wish. You can play around with the size of the font. You can make it bigger or smaller, and you can change it to different colors, and the text color you can make it like light, so it really depends on you. Like for me, my preference here will be to make it blue. So okay, so after this, okay, just to see like the difference, we want to add another department, and at first we're gonna just create a department without any submenu. Later on we're gonna create a department with submenu. So we're gonna add another entry, and basing it here, we're gonna put like, I want to put kebabs. Okay, so we're gonna put kebabs. Okay, and I want to make it bigger, like the same size with this one. This one is like size 18 and it's bold, so we're gonna make it the same size. And I want to make it like red, and I want to make it like white also, so it's the same. Okay, now enough for that, and I want to go back to burgers. Now as you can see in the menu here, we have like different types of burgers here, right? So we're gonna enter it now here. So we're gonna put varieties, and well, we have a pre-installed here, so we're gonna delete it and just delete it here, delete and delete. So we're gonna put the first variety, that's beef burger, and the next is cheeseburger, and we have the fresh chicken fillet burger, and we have American burger. Okay, we're not gonna finish everything that's given in the menu. We have other things here, but we're not gonna finish it. So after this, so based on the menu, we have two sizes of the burger. We have 1/4 and we have 1/2. Okay, now we're done. We're gonna go to extras, and these are the things that the customer can add on to their order. Extra, like salad, onions, extra onions, lettuce, and extra tomatoes, extra cucumber, tomato ketchup, mayo, extra mayonnaise, extra barbecue sauce, chili sauce, and garlic, and mint sauce, and sliced cheese, and bun burger, extra bun burger, extra cheese. Okay, just in case you need to add more rows, say more extra stuff for you to add, or you can just delete it. So there. That if I click this, it will not go directly to the prices of the burger, but instead it will go to the prices of the extras, because each extra item that the customer will order will have extra price to pay, right? So this is not what we want right now. Instead, we want to go to the prices for the burgers. So we went back to varieties, right? And then we click price. Other sets of prices, then is the time that we also use B and C columns. Otherwise, we stick to column A. So for the beef burger with the size of 1/4, let's go check the menu here. And it says here 420, 455, 499. So we go ahead and enter that. 420. Now, just in case, if the prices here for the following items are the same, let's say it's all 420 here, what you do is you stick to this row, you stick to that, and you click fill column. So the rest will have the same price, okay? But since we do not have the same price, let's erase this and put what's on the menu. So that's 4.55 and 4.99. You can just use the arrow key to go down. Alright, 4.99. Now for the 1/2 size, we have 6.35, we have 6.75, we have 6.49, and we have 6.85. Okay, so now we exit, and that will automatically save it. Okay, now notice that if I click sizes and click prices, it will not show the price. It will not allow us to enter the price, right? So we only go to varieties to enter the price. But if you click also extra and click the price, you can enter their price, but this will be the prices for this extra. So if we say, let's say all the extra will cost the same price, like two dirhams, so I can just fill it there. And maybe this one will cost like 3 for one of size of a burger, so I'll just click fill column and that'll be the price, and I'll click exit. Now we're gonna go to the item options, and these are the things, the options that you can have with every variety. So let's start with beef burger, because the options can differ for each variety, as you can see here. So let's try the beef burger. For this, we have 2 varieties for the example. Let's say we will add 2 buttons, so we will check this for the beef burger. And for the first one, we will enter coleslaw. And for this one, it will be portion of mixed salad. So if you click this is not checked yet, right? Because it might not be an option for cheeseburger. Let's say for the third one, coleslaw is an option. Let's say this one is an option also. And here we can add a new button, and we can say additional cheese, right? And for this one, we can say there's additional cucumber. So let's try it. Let's say these are the only options that we have. Okay, we're gonna exit and it will be automatically saved. So let's try to save and exit creation. Let's try and see what will show up when we order for takeaway. Let's say beef burger. I'm gonna choose 1/4 size, and I'm gonna choose for the option, I will choose coleslaw. And then I want to order also this one. I'm gonna choose 1/2, and the option also is coleslaw. What about cheeseburger? So there's cheese and American burger, 1/2, and coleslaw. Now for extra, I want to put like extra toppings for my American burger, and I will choose like extra onion, extra mayo, extra cucumber. Let's say for the beef burger, I also want to put extra tomato, extra, I'll say I want extra lettuce, and I want to make it like 3 pieces, 3 extra of lettuce. So that's it. So it works. The extra and the options are here. So okay, so let's say order complete, and I'm gonna pay full amount. The till should open, and class, we're finished. Now we're gonna add up again another department. And I want to add, for this we're gonna put beverages, and we're gonna increase the size. If you've noticed, if we go to this tab, it's 18, and this one is like, even if you decrease it, it's not a whole number, and the only way for us to make that a whole number is get to this and then increase it. So this will become 18 if you like it that way, and we're gonna change it to bold. The same thing with this one. This is 18, this is 18, so everything is 18. Now we're gonna leave it that way, and so we're gonna add up varieties now. So we're gonna add first will be Pepsi cans, and I'm gonna speed this up, but I'm not gonna record everything. As you can see, I've finished everything here, but you will notice that there are spaces here. This is just a matter of styling, because these 6 entries are all cans, and this one is water and the rest are bottles. So I try to separate it so it will be easy for me to distinguish which one is which one, but it's just a matter of styling. And so now we enter the prices, and so we're gonna put 1.20, and since all of these beverages are same price, like most of it, we're just gonna fill column, but in the bottles it's gonna be 320. So we're gonna delete this, we're gonna delete this, and delete this, and we're gonna make it 320 and fill. Okay, so we're gonna exit to save it. Now just to check it, we're gonna be able to see that here when we order, so we have the beverage already. So we can choose Pepsi cans, let's say we want that, and 7-Up can, and then we want burgers, American burger again, and that's it. So we want to set this aside. You will learn this later. Set aside means you're not gonna continue the order for the time being, but let's just say the customer says, okay, I want to take it again, I'm ready to pay it. So we're gonna retrieve what was set aside, and then you can just click retrieve, so it's there again, and now the customer can pay it. Say order complete, and payment is full amount, and then till should open, and then it's finished. So there. So now we're gonna make a meal deal, and in our sample we have our burger deal here, and we're gonna try to make this one. So this burger deal is any 1/4 pound burger will be including fries and drink for $7.45. Okay, so that'll be the price. So here we're gonna click on meal deal. Okay, now after clicking that, we need to go to the miscellaneous item, this one. Okay, and here we're gonna type fries, because we have no fries in our varieties, we only have burgers and beverages, right? So we're gonna type here fries. So after typing the entry, we're gonna click again meal deal, and then we're gonna click on edit meal deal. So we're gonna click this. So after typing that, we clicked again meal deal, and then we will type, for this entry we will type burger deal, right? And after that, we're gonna click this edit burger, and we're gonna say yes for the standard meal deal, and then we're gonna get into this screen. So here we will input the price of the burger meal, which is $7.45. Now after putting the price, you have to make sure that this is on, that everything is checked, otherwise the menu deal will not be activated. these ones are checked, and make sure that this is filled up so you would know when this will be effective, the deal meal. Let's say I want from 12 noon up to 8 p.m. or up to 10 p.m. That'll be 2200. So now that we place this, we can start setting up the meal deal. So we click on burgers, and keep in mind that the meal deal involves only burgers with the size of 1/4. So we're gonna click this, and then let's click varieties. And since the meal deal involves all burgers with the size of 1/4, then we're gonna click this, all this, as long as it's 1/4 size. Then we're gonna click add new course, and then we're gonna click miscellaneous items to click the fries that we'd like to add to the course. Notice that when we clicked add new course, course 2 was added. So if we add a new course, another one will be added. So that's how it goes. Every time we click add new course, another course will be added. So we're gonna go to the second course, which should be the soft drink. So then we add new course 2, we click beverages, and we click all the kinds of soft drinks that we'd like to add it. And it said on our meal deal that will be Pepsi cans, so we will add this, all cans. Okay, after that we go back to course 1, and okay, we're gonna click on show toppings. Okay, so we're gonna save and exit, and let's see. We're gonna try to order again. We go to home, we go takeaway. Let's say we're gonna want to order meal deal. So I'm gonna click meal deal, and we have here burger deal. So it said that we can order any burger that is 1/4 in size. So I'm gonna order American burger, and this is already defaulted here, 1/4, and we're gonna choose the option coleslaw, and I want extras like these ones. And then next item to order that is part of the deal is soft drinks, so I'm gonna click it. Okay, so let's say I want to make 2 burger deals. I want to click okay again, this one, and I want extras, mint sauce and garlic. So next item, I want 7-Up, and order complete. Okay, so full amount. So there, you can see that the burger deal costed only the customer $7.45. It only added up some more because of the extras that was placed in the order. So okay, so that's it. A full amount, and the till should open.